Alright, we got two, count them, two 50-cent pieces, okay? So it means we got one held in each hand. We got one in the left hand, one in the right hand, just like this. And we've gotten one to jump across, okay? Nothing more, nothing less, just 2 coins. Let's get into how this works. So as you display the 2 coins, one's held in each of the fingertips of each hand, the left hand is going to toss its coin, and it's going to pick it back up. As it does, the right hand comes back and classic palms its coin. Okay, so I've got it held in classic palm now. As I mimic tossing it, the left hand throws the exact same coin again from the left hand. Then my right hand comes over, does whatever it wants, do whatever magical gesture you want, and you can show that the coins have jumped across. So it's a matter of timing, and it's a matter of showing a coin, and then as you come back, showing the other coin, so that it looks like, the retention of vision looks like that it's coming from the right hand. Okay? So something you will probably want to play around with on camera or in a mirror or something, and then when you're ready to make the magic happen, just make the magic happen. And there you go, guys. This move is called the bitch pitch, I believe. And man, it's really convincing. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next video.